Hello YouTube, Triumph guy here today, and I'm going to show you how to tighten up your handbrake in the Triumph Spitfire. So I'll just quickly show you what I mean. So it's all the way up. As you can see, there's like no resistance really. So apparently there's three places to adjust from. There's one under here. Apparently, I haven't seen it myself. And then there's two adjustments on the wheel, and that's what we're going to be going through today. Chop the front wheels, jack it up to get both the rear wheels off the ground, and then it's recommended to put axle stands under there as well. So lower the handbrake. First thing you're looking at is a bit of resistance here. Okay, as you can see, there is a bit. And if there wasn't, I'm going to show you where the first adjustment is. So on the bottom of the drum, you may have to turn this little screw here, okay, until you get that resistance. Remove the spring using a pair of pliers, and then next you need to remove this stud, and there's a little split pin underneath. Hopefully it's not too corroded. Once that pin's removed, you can then remove the stud. Next, give it a good old spray with some WD-40. This will just clean that up a bit. Next, just loosen that 11mm nut. You may actually have to put it back onto the handbrake carrier and put the stud through just to give you, to make it a bit easier. Then all you're going to do is just tighten up the bracket. Now, this took me 2 attempts, because what I did is I put it all back together, checked to see if the wheel was tight with the handbrake on, and then went back through this process again. Once it's lined up, put the stud back through, and then get a fresh split pin and put that in. Obviously mine are a little bit long. Ideally you want some short ones than the one I actually use. Next, reattach the spring with a pair of pliers. Again, it can be a bit difficult, but it does eventually go on. So once you've done this side, make sure you do the other side. So just to recap, tighten up the bottom screw on the back of the drum to make sure it's got a bit of resistance, and then go ahead and do them springs. Literally just a few turns and it should be good.